Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on FastAPI. We have seen plenty of videos on FastAPI with face detection, face recognition, then data analytics, then different types of database, then fast API connection with ReactJS, fast API connection with Vue.js, and we also seen face recognition using fast API and many more. We also seen fast API connection with ReactJS with CRUD operation, but we have seen it is using MySQL. So today I'm back with new creative video on fast API with ReactJS and with database PostgreSQL. I have used many times MySQL database, I have used many times SQLite database, I have used many times MongoDB database, but I have used few times PostgreSQL database. So I'm back with new creative video on CRUD operation using ReactJS with nice screen of JavaScript with CRUD operation using fast API. So let us go through the program. This is a fast API. I am using ReactJS. The problem was only one thing, that I have to create env file, and that I created successfully, and that's why I was able to run this program. So env file I have created successfully. Backend server started successfully. Now we will start front end. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. Add product ID. Here 5 product ID are there. We will add 6. Name, hard disk, then SSD, price 7,000, quantity 2. Yes, product added successfully, fine. Now I will be performing. Here it is showing SQLite. Yes, we will try. So I will update here. Instead of 6, I will here 6 we can't update, it is a serial number. Here 5, then SSD instead of SATA. Yes, product update has been performed successfully. Now I perform delete operation. Yes, it is asking. Yes, delete operation also has been performed. So this is the screen of ReactJS. Search item by ID. First we'll search 1. It is showing laptop. Yes, searching is also done properly. Then I will search 6. Okay, fine. Now I will search by name. HD. Okay. I will search laptop, whether it is searching by name. Yes, it is also searching by name. Fine. So I successfully done with CRUD operation using ReactJS with fast API. I hope like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on fast API, ReactJS, Node.js, Munstack, full stack, AngularJS with Node.js, Vue.js, and lot of frameworks of JavaScript. For latest update about JavaScript, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.